Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to review a product from a company called TrueFree, which probably most of you have not heard of, including myself up to recently. They've got very high ratings on Amazon, which I know is not the most accurate measurement of reviewing products, but it's a good indication to start with. These are over-the-air earbuds. Okay, so let me just very quickly do the unboxing here. All the details that are on the box I've listed in the notes below. Nicely packaged. And a nice manual. More instructions. It did come in a nice little plastic thing as well, wrapped up to protect it from scratches. And the other thing I want to mention very briefly, as I take it out, very lightweight. But it's a big box, still goes in your pocket though, and that's it. Inside are the earbuds. As you can see, fully charged. Just take you through that. No fingerprints, which is nice. Discreet name there, TrueFree. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. I've had absolutely no problems, flawless, and it's good value, actually. There's a discount code below, and I want to mention all the disclosures. I do not get paid any commissions, referral fees, and no associate links. However, the company's been kind enough to give me a discount code to share with all my viewers. And if you're a subscriber, you get an extra, well, good luck, really. No more than that. But let me just take you through these. They're clearly marked left and right. This is the left one. And they just go over the ear like so. And they're already connected, which is marvelous. So I just want to show you that. So the benefits of these are very lightweight. I've got all the details as we go along, but they're 9.9 grams, thereabout. On the box here, some of the key features are as follows. Latest Bluetooth, or one of the latest, 5.3, which I think is pretty well up there. 10-meter range, about 10-hour battery life. I found that to be pretty accurate. And 45 hours when you use the case. So as you can see, when they're on, just all you do is the speaker, which I want to show you here, is at an angle. So it's, imagine, if you like, you've got two speakers literally pointing up in your ears. So you can hear everything outside, very clear. Great if you're on a bike, exercising, if you want to hear the outside noise, but great sound, a good sound stage, solid. You're not going to get the ultimate in sound if you're listening to music because they're not going in your ears. You could technically, I guess, even almost share these hygiene-wise because, again, they're not going in your ear. So for people that are prone to getting ear infections, don't like normal earbuds because they go in your ear, these are great. There seems to be a trend in these sort of things now, but really are amazingly light, dead easy to fit. And when they're on, I do the compulsory, not going anywhere. Very, very comfortable. You could easily wear these all day. I've added some microphone tests at the end of this video. Hardly any sound leakage. I'm playing music in a busy street at about 50% volume, so you've got loads of volume on this. Great touch controls. The app is brilliant, and I'll show you that separately in a few seconds. 16.2 millimeter drivers, which means very powerful enough to do it so you don't need the full volume. And a lot of the other open earbuds, when you turn up the volume, it distorts enormously. I've not found that with this at all. Price-wise, as I mentioned, it's just over $50 with the discounts. All the other earbuds, open ear ones that are half decent, go for almost double that and more. So just want to also mention that. You can get it from Amazon, so if you don't like it, obviously you can send it back. This is one of the few that have LDAC, which is amazing, really, for this kind of earbud. But you can't sleep with these, obviously, because they're sticking out. It's IPS4, so it's not waterproof, but it's okay for rain, light rain, sweat a little bit. So day to day, you can use it with no problems at all. The case is a bit big, as I mentioned, but it still goes in your pocket. It has a dual mode, so you could have this connected to two things, same time, a computer and your phone, whatever you want. Way better than any bone conduction ones I've tested, including the very expensive bone ones. So way better than that. There's absolutely no pressure in your ears, absolutely none. You can kind of get an idea of that by me leaning forward. Great fit. So I'm going to give these a thumbs up, highly recommended at this price. What can I tell you? Not much else to add. Really, really are good. So let me just now show you the app. Just tap on it. Instant, it's already connected. I'll just very, very quickly go through it. Nice touch controls, gaming mode, very little latency, which means it's great for games. There's no delay. It's got preset equalizer. So adaptive, customized. It's even got a built-in hearing test as well. So it will tune the music to your hearing. Fantastic for this kind of money. So you've got classic, all those. You can customize it. Adaptive is to yours, if you like. Is there anything else I want to mention here? Adaptive. And it gives you the sound there of how I've set it up according to my test. And I think that's pretty much it in terms of, there's some more settings here. You can get, for this price is pretty good as well. Product update. Let's see if there's any update to be had. Nope. I've got the latest. But but it's good to know you can get updates on this as well. I love that on a lot of these earbuds because the updates are definitely worth getting when they bring them out. It has a built-in white noise library again, so you could relax listening to your favorite natural streams and so on and so on. Quite a few there to choose. And technical support if you have any problems. Technical support if you have any problems. I think that's about it for me on this. I'm using it on the S24 Ultra. Please subscribe for more reviews, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so here I am in a quiet environment. How do I sound?
Oh, sound very good, very good.
Can you hear any background noise, the air conditioning, the fan? I'm even walking up and down in the room.
No, I cannot hear anything. So quiet. Wow.
So how does it compare to the normal phone?
I can't tell.
Oh, wow, that's good. So you give it from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
I give 9.
Fantastic, thanks. Just to show you the fit, pretty good. And I've deliberately chosen here, there's a guy in the background, I don't know if you can see, doing the bottles here, so it makes a lot of noise. How do I sound?